Welcome back to the BeFitNow channel. Robert here, your certified personal trainer. And today we're going to feature back exercises using the Mr. Monster. Let's begin. Today we're featuring different back exercises using the Mr. Monster back attachments. We're going to be featuring lat pull downs using wide grip, close grip, underhand grip, as well as seated rows. Again, using a wide grip position and a close grip position. Now we're featuring the lat pull down using the wide grip. I've gone ahead and I set up my BeFitNow bench. I'm going to set my knee anchors in place. It's quick and easy. Pull the pin, slide it in position, and lock it in. I'm going to reach up. I have my wide bar sitting down, locked in. I'm going to push my chest out. I'm going to pull the bar right down to my chest. You want to remember, when we fight gravity, we want 2 to 3 seconds up and explode down. 8 to 12 repetitions using a weight that you can do perfect form. When you do this motion, think about pulling from the elbows and squeezing the shoulder blades together. That'll really activate the lat muscles. A great alternative to doing a lat pull down is changing your grip. So we're going to show some lat pull downs using an underhand grip. This takes the emphasis from the extremity and brings it medial to the middle of the spine, so you can really create that definition down the length of the spine. Let's begin. Again, sitting tall, chest out, underhand grip, we're pulling to our chest. Remember, 2 to 3 seconds up and explode down. Another great variation to the close grip pull down is using the V-bar attachment. This moves the emphasis off the bicep and puts it across the joint. Let's begin. The mechanics of the movement are the same. Using the hammer grip, we've assumed the neutral position, chest is out, back is tall, pulling to the chest. Another great back exercise using the Mr. Monster are the seated rows. We're going to show you a couple of different variations. We're going to show you the close grip variation using our V-bar attachment and a hammer grip. And we're also going to use the lat bar attachment for a wide grip row. Let's begin. All right, sitting nice and tall, we're going to grab our close grip using a hammer style grip. Our feet are secure against the foot pedals, and we're going to start the pull to our chest. Now again, things to think about. Don't fully decompress forward. We want to stay in a fixed position so that we isolate the lat muscles and really use our back to do the work. Same idea. I don't want to be rolling back here. I want to stay in a fixed position so that I can maximize the energy transfer to my muscles. Remember, when I'm fighting gravity, which is the forward motion, I want to take 2 to 3 seconds and control that movement. Then I want to explode to my bottom. Another great alternative seated row using the Mr. Monster is with the Lat Bar. This allows us to work using a wide grip and emphasize the extremity of the lat muscle. If you want to be wide, you have to work wide. Let's begin. All right, seating tall, chest out. Your feet are against the foot pedals. Holding a wide grip, you're going to pull the bar to just below your chest. Again, 2 to 3 seconds fight in the negative, and then explode into the positive. Today we featured some really great back exercises using the Mr. Monster. We did the wide grip lat pull down, the close grip lat pull down, the V-bar lat pull down. We did a seated row using the V-bar for the close grip, as well as the lat bar featuring a wide grip move. If you have any questions, don't forget to place them in the comments below. And remember, like, comment, subscribe. Stay strong. Till the next time.